Feeling sluggish, bloated, drained? You're not alone. Every day, millions of people wake up feeling like they've barely slept, dragging themselves through the morning fog, wondering why they have no energy. Maybe you're struggling to focus at work, or you find yourself snapping at loved ones for no reason. It's not just in your head. What you eat is affecting every part of your life. You're walking around like a zombie, barely able to keep your eyes open, moving through your day in slow motion. It's like your body is begging for a reset, but you keep ignoring the signs. Maybe you reach for a donut or a bag of chips, hoping for a quick fix, but it just leaves you feeling worse, a complete mess, inside and out. The cycle continues, and you wonder why you can't break free. But here's the truth. In just 7 days, you could stop feeling like a sack of potatoes and start feeling unstoppable. Imagine waking up refreshed, energized, and ready to take on anything. It's not magic, it's about making better choices with what you put in your mouth, one meal at a time. Forget the processed garbage and takeout that's slowly killing you. It's time to wake up and take control of your health, your mood, and your future. You deserve better than the junk that's holding you back. That's why I'm sharing a 7-day anti-inflammatory meal plan created by a top dietitian that's not only delicious and vibrant, but also energizing and easy to follow. These meals are packed with nutrients your body craves, helping you feel lighter, brighter, and more alive. Are you ready to stop making excuses and start feeling fantastic? Your transformation starts now. Take the first step. Your body and mind will thank you, and you'll never want to go back to feeling like an idiot sandwich again. Day 1. This is where it all begins. We're keeping things simple, but don't mistake simple for boring. Today is about fresh, bold choices that set the tone for your journey. Simple means powerful, vibrant, and packed with nutrients. When you start with the best ingredients, you're already halfway to success. For breakfast, we're blending up a vibrant green smoothie. Think fresh spinach, juicy pineapple, and a sprinkle of chia seeds for that extra boost. It's quick, easy, and energizing. This isn't just a drink. It's a powerhouse in a glass, fueling your morning with vitamins, fiber, and flavor. For lunch, we're making a gorgeous quinoa salad, loaded with roasted bell peppers, zucchini, and onions. It's colorful, satisfying, and keeps you full without weighing you down. Dinner is all about balance. Flaky baked salmon, perfectly cooked, served with steamed broccoli and a hint of fresh garlic. It's nourishing, delicious, and exactly what your body craves after a long day. Every meal today is packed with flavor, energy, and the kind of nutrition that makes you feel alive. Eating well doesn't have to be complicated. It just has to be intentional. No more soggy sandwiches or bland dinners. This is your invitation to get off your arse and get cooking. Let's make every bite count. You survived day 1. Now let's build momentum. Breakfast overnight oats with almond milk, fresh berries, and walnuts. Lunch hearty lentil soup loaded with vegetables, herbs, and spices. Dinner quick stir-fried veggies with ginger and garlic. Snack smart. Almonds or turmeric tea, not crisps. Keep your energy steady and inflammation down. Be smart and keep going. Days 5 through 7. This is where you feel the change. Breakfast, smoothie bowls with berries, seeds, and coconut flakes. Lunch, roasted sweet potatoes with kale and chickpeas. Dinner, grilled chicken or tofu with a rainbow of vegetables. By now, your energy should be soaring. You're almost there. Finish strong. Final tips, don't wing it. Prep your meals ahead. Chop veggies, cook quinoa, make soup on Sunday. Drink plenty of water. Your body needs it to fight inflammation. Use real spices, turmeric, ginger, garlic, cinnamon. They're not just for flavor, they're natural inflammation fighters. Spice it up and set yourself up for success. It's common sense. 7 days done. You should feel energized and inspired, proud of the changes you've made and the new habits you've started to build. Remember, this is just the beginning of your journey toward a healthier, more vibrant you. Don't go back to old habits. This isn't a diet, it's a wake-up call. Every choice you make matters, and you have the power to keep moving forward. Choose foods that nourish your body and support your well-being. Download the full 7-day meal plan below to keep the momentum going. It's packed with delicious anti-inflammatory recipes and helpful tips to make healthy eating easy and enjoyable. Start your journey to more energy and less inflammation. With every meal, you're taking a step toward feeling your best, inside and out. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips, recipes, and inspiration to help you stay on track and reach your goals. The power is on your plate. Take it seriously, and remember that every meal is an opportunity to fuel your body and mind. Now get out there, have fun in the kitchen, and get cooking. Your healthiest self is waiting for you.